Hi everyone! How's everybody doing? It's the beginning of summer and I'm super excited. Although the kids have been eating a lot, so I'm on my way to Costco just to get a few things. Do you want to go with me? I've got my little partner back there. Hey, Ezzy. We have to go in first to get gas, and he would like to share a little soda with me. So we're gonna do that. But I had a couple people comment on my hair, so thank you very much. Yes, I do like to wear it curly when it starts to get a little longer because it gets too much to blow dry. And with summer, who wants to blow dry? I will from time to time, but you know what I mean. And if you've noticed, there's a little hint of pink to my hair. Can you see it? It's just a hint. So I found this spray that's at Target, and I'll show you here. It's at Target, and it's about $12, and it's just a spray and tint. It's a rose gold, and it's really mostly for blonde hair, but if you have a lot of white hair like mine, it works too. It's really subtle, so every time I get out of the shower, I spray a little bit more, and then a little bit more. So I've done it like 3 or 4 times, so it's kind of building on it a little bit, and you can still see it's very, very faint. So something for fun for summer. You happy boy? What is it?
Soda.
DDP, right?
What?
Diet Dr. Pepper.
Oh.
Yeah, we gotta go pay for it. How did I do that? I popped the car. You're gonna get a lesson on pumping some gas. What do you think? Easy? Did you say it was smelly? Oh, we're ready. We're at Costco, huh, Ezzy? Yeah. So fun. Now there's only 2 things I have to have, and then the other things are just bonus. Their copy paper here is nice and thick, and I'm making like programs, so this is what I need because it's not thin and it's beautiful quality, so, and it's a good price. One thing down, this tuna is my absolute favorite. It's a little pricey, but it is so good, and it doesn't have hardly any like juice in it, which kind of makes it hard to drain sometimes to get out all the juice. If I was in the market to get some tuna, I'd get some of that. Yum, yum. We're going into the cooler. Oh, it's so cool. I am super happy I left Costco with under budget. And I'll tell you about how much I spent. But first I promised Ezzy. You want your cookie now? Oh, the perks of going shopping with mommy. So I just got back from Costco. I'm a tiny bit sad that I could only find one of the 2 things that I really, really needed. The other thing being the command strips. And I know I saw them the last time I was there. I just don't like to put a lot of holes in our walls when we're hanging up pictures. So I guess I'll just get them out Target or Walmart. But I am also super happy that I left Costco with $121 of food. Whew, that's very, very good for our family of 6. So this haul is specifically for lunches, and I know you can see a couple of things back there, but I'll show you what I got. So this haul, like I said, is lunches. The boys are at home right now, and this is not the healthiest of hauls. So please bear with me as I get through the summer, but I am going to show you some of the ideas that I do for lunches. So for now, I'm going to show you that this is our favorite sourdough bread, and there's 2 packs. That was about $6 or so. The big Lego waffles, or Eggo My Lego, it was 10 bucks, and those are the yummy, yummy cookies. You know, one time I ordered them from Google Express, a Costco haul. And it came, I was so happy to get these cookies in there, and it came all crumbled up. So crumbled up cookies equals 0 calories, right? Because they're all broken. But these ones aren't, so those have extra calories, I'm sure. Ezra really, and the boys, they do like this pizza that Costco has. And so I'm just gonna keep things in the freezer, make things very, very easy for them to make lunches. Some Grandma Sycamores, Paul really likes these salads, so they're easy to take for lunch, for work. I got some eggs and some sliced cheese. This is a really good cheddar. I got some Doritos, and I'm going to show you a little snack that I make with the pita chips. Are you kind of cracking up? Because I'm internally cracking up that I have like organic stuff with like extra processed stuff. So that's just how we roll here. I got some lower sodium bacon because I'm just trying to help my heart. So if I can kind of cut back a little bit on the sodium, maybe that'll help my blood pressure. We'll see. I don't eat most of this stuff, FYI. I just eat like a sandwich, some fruit. You'll see. Ezra wanted these corn dogs, so his brother scored because he came with me and I let him choose. These are my favorite tortillas. They are the organic. Yeah, I got those ones. These are the chicken breasts. They're 10 pounds for like 20 bucks, so I like that price. I got some refried beans because I'm supposed to bring something for Father's Day with church. So I signed up for refried beans. This is really yummy lunch meat, and it lasts a couple weeks, I think, in our home. Ezra loves these go-go squeezes, so easy treats. These tenderloins are super good. And I'm going to be using them in one of the ideas for my lunches. And then some fruit, just some bananas and this watermelon. So all of this came out to $181. I'm super, super happy with that. So what are your favorite things to eat in the summer when your kids are home? I know it can't be all organic, right? But this is what's going to keep them happy for hopefully about a week or two. Goodness, they go through food so quickly. I can't even keep track now. Thanks for coming with me to Costco. I know this is a shorter haul, but we are a family of 6, and these were our lunchtime item, except for those cookies up there and the waffles. But I'm going to be showing you in my next video some of our lunchtime go-tos, so stick around. You know what I'll be rolling out next. Now it's time to put everything away. Boys!